Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Kalaskar and you are watching my Satyashabda Mantra channel. Today we are going to solve KVS PGT remaining question. Already 15 question we have solved. Now we will start from question number 16. So let's start. See question number 16. A stone is dropped into the wet lake and waves moves in a circles at a speed of 4 cm per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular waves is 10 cm, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? सी एक क्वेश्चन दिया क्या है कि अगर हमने एक स्टोन वाटर में डाला है तो उसके बाद वाटर में सर्कुलर वेव्स फॉर्म हो रही है, सर्कुलर वेव्स फॉर्म होती हुई दिख रही है, सर्कुलर वेव्स फॉर्म हो रही है। अभी हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? ऐसे कंडीशन में हमें dA/dt फाइंड आउट करना है, मतलब हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है dA/dt बाय यूजिंग dR/dt। सो dA/dt हमें कहाँ फाइंड आउट करना है? एट r इक्वल टू 10। एट r इज इक्वल्स टू 10 बिकॉज r इज इक्वल्स टू 10 सर्कुलर वेव्स हमें रेडियस दी है, रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कुलर वेव्स इज 10 सेंटीमीटर, इट इज़ गिवन टू अस। सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड dA/dt बाय यूजिंग r? So a is nothing but your area and we know that the area of circle is nothing but pi r square, that everyone knows. So we will put this value in this differentiation. So d pi r square upon dt. So pi is nothing but the constant, so we will keep outside. So d r square by dt. Now pi equal, now here we have to differentiate r square by r square with respect to t. Now see, whenever you are doing differentiation we want same variable, so here we will use chain rule because variables are different, means we are differentiating here by t and here variable is given r, means we have to differentiate by the same variable. So here we will use chain rule. What is the chain rule? फर्स्ट जो r वेरिएबल दिया है हम उसको उससे ही डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे, मीन्स वी विल राइट डी आर स्क्वायर बाय डी आर इंटू डी आर बाय डी टी. So it become then dA by dt equal pi in bracket, what is the differentiation of dr square by dr? It's nothing but 2r into dr by dt as it is. Now pi as it is, 2r also as it is. Now dr by dt is given to you, is nothing but 4. This is given to you, dr by dt is given to you. Now we will simply, this is do 8 pi r. So dA by dt is nothing but 8 pi r. But now we have to find this value at r is equals to 10. हमें ये वैल्यू कहाँ फाइंड करनी है? r इज इक्वल्स टू 10 प्लेस पर. सो सिंपली हमें r की वैल्यू क्या पुट करनी है? अभी 10 पुट करनी है. सो dA बाई dt इक्वल 8 pi into 10. This value is given, so it become 80 pi and area is nothing but centimeter square per second. So what is your answer is coming? dA by dt is 80 pi centimeter square second. So we having option, this is nothing but the option number, this is nothing but the option second. So here option number B, option B. See here, all options I have not written here, only questions I have written, but in exam this is given option number B. So option doesn't matter, you don't have to keep in option, only you have to keep answer in your mind and don't learn this answer. We have to prove and then we have to select the option. Now we will go to the next question. See now question number 17. A gardener is digging a plot of land. As he gets tired, he works more slowly. After 10 minutes, he is digging at the rate of 2 by under root 2. 2 by under root of t square meters per minute. How long will it take him to dig an area of 40 square meter? Here we need to find area. Here also we need to find area. So how long will it take to dig an area of 40 square meter square? Means what? Here area is given to you. We just have to find value of t. Area is given to you. Here we don't have to find area. Here we have to find value of d, because area is given to you. So we whatever given we will write them. Area A is given to you. Area A is nothing but 40 meter square. So area is given to you. Now we just have to find t, and t is nothing but minute. So we have to find t is nothing but the time. So that we have to find. How we will find now? Since जो दिया है हम उसी का यूज़ करेंगे. See, dA by dt means the area is, so dA by dt is nothing but this value is given to you, 2 into under root of t. This value is given to you. Now can we differentiate this? Yes, we can differentiate. So dA is equals to 2 into under root of t into dt. Now see, here we have to find only answer of t. So can we cancel this derivative? How we can cancel this derivative? By using integration we can easily cancel it. So how we will cancel it? See, now I will cancel derivative by getting integration to both sides. So by getting integration to both sides, it becomes integration of dA equal integrating of 2 by under root of t into dt. So derivative integration will be the cancel. It become only a equal to, by using this formula it become 2 into under root of t upon half. This is nothing but the formula. So it become now a equal 4 under root of t. Now value of a is given to you. Value of a is nothing but the 40. Value of a is nothing but 40 meter square. So we will put here 40 meter square equal 4 into under root t. So by using this calculation, this 4 will go here in denominator, it will be the cancel. So it will become a 10 meter square. 4 इसको divide करेगा equal to under root of t. Now taking square on both side. अब square root को कैसे cancel करेंगे? By taking square on both side. So it become 10 square meter it become m raised to power of 4 equal t. Now time we want to find. So for time we don't want this unit. So it become 100 is equals to t. So what is the time required? Time is nothing but 100 minute. So we said here option is given as C. So option C is the answer. Either you can simply keep in your mind 100 minute. See now next question. Question number 18. The area of region bounded by the lines y is equals to mx. This is straight line equation. Y is equals to mx. X is equals to 1. X is equals to 2. And x axis is 6 square unit. Then m is, here we have to find the value of m. M is nothing but the slope of the line. So how we will find this m? See here y is equals to mx, line is given, and m is nothing but the positive. So whatever the line is becoming, that line, whatever the line is coming, that line is present in a first and fourth quadrant. That line is present in first and fourth quadrant because m is positive. If m is negative, then line is coming second and third quadrant. But here line is come first and fourth quadrant. And here as x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 2 given. So we have to find the area of, now we have to find this area. So we have to find only this area. So how we will find this area? How we can find this area? See, what is the given that we will use. So we will find the value of enclosed area. A is equals to, we will find this answer in modulus. So modulus of integration 1 is to 2. Mx dx mod complete is equals to 6. So how we will find this? So A equal, in integration, we will find this value in integration and mod. So it become, in mod it become mx square by 2 at, we have to find this value at upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 1, and this value is nothing but 6, because A is given to you. A is nothing but 6 square unit. So how we will find now this? Equal, so upper limit minus lower limit, according m by 2 is constant, so we will move away. Value of variable x square, this value we have to find upper limit and lower limit, so implies m by 2, this become 4 minus 1. As we have to find value of m only, so we will write m equal, now mod if we will cancel, then it become plus minus 6. Here m is positive, so we will take positive value, means we will take only 6, and so this is not only m, this is not only m. What is our previous expression? Our previous expression is nothing but m by 2 4 minus 1 equal 6. So this positive value I am taking because m is positive, so it become now m by 2 into 3 equal 6. So m equal to 6 into 2 by 3. So value of m is nothing but 4. Thank you.